This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in this story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jamruk's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good
Dang, how do I erase my feelings, Ryan? Should I continue to act like this? He said to himself and is looking at the car, which is leaving the hospital. But there... Dang, what happened? Where are you lost? He said, and he shrugged. Then shoulder which made him come back from his thoughts. Dang, nothing, let's go. I have so much work to do. He said and he went near the car and Jimin stood, while looking at him. Jimin, what happened to him? He's acting weird, he said to himself, and he followed Taeyang. Time skips. You both went to the mansion and Yuri also came with you. You, Jungkook, aren't you living in the old mansion? He said without thinking twice. But after a few seconds, you quickly minded you said the truth. You turned backwards and you saw Jungkook and Yuri looking at you. Jungkook started doubting you and is taking steps towards you. You got harder and you looked at him. Jungkook, what you said, the old mansion? He said while deeply glaring at you with his dark eyes and you were avoiding his contact and you spoke to him. I mean this mansion looks new, Jungkook, so I thought that is new mansion and Oppa told me about your previous mansion, so I asked both it. He didn't help but shudder, but he let out a sigh and believed that he believed your lie. Jungkook, okay doll, come let's go to our room, he said, which made your eyes widen. But there are many rooms. You should be comfortable, right? So I will select another room. You said while looking at him, but he shook his head as no. Jungkook, we are going to share the room and that is final, he said and he caught your hand and he took you to his bedroom. You both entered into the room, but your breath hitched when you saw the photo frame hanging to the wall. When did you got this photo frame? He asked while pointing at the photo frame. Jungkook, I ordered another one doll. One is in your Oppa's house and the other is in your beautiful mansion. He said while coming closer to you and he welcomed you, which made your breath hitched. Jungkook, doll, you know what? I'm happy. But you didn't remember your past, he said while resting his head on your shoulder. Why? You shuddered because he's dangerously close towards you and your heart is continuously beating faster because of the closeness. Jungkook, I did many mistakes in the past which are unforgivable. I hurted you many times, but you still chose to stay by my side. Thank you, doll, for everything, he said and he tightened his arm, but you closed your eyes tightly to control your tears. Those flashbacks started coming to your mind. How he forced you, how he hurted you, and how he kicked you out of the mansion. He clenched your fist and he pushed you. You have to take your medicines. Come, let's eat something. You said him. He was confused why you suddenly behaved coldly with him. But he didn't say anything and he gave a note to you and he both went to the dining room. You are eating. You are not eating anything, just your just playing with the spoon. Jungkook is confused by your behavior and Yoongi also looking at you. Yoongi raised his eyebrows towards Jungkook like he's asking that what happened to you, but he shrugged his shoulders and he said that he don't know anything. You, I'm full, you said, and you went to the room without giving them a chance to talk. Yoongi, did you say anything to her? He asked, but Jungkook's heart clenched when he asked the question, but he immediately shook his head as no. Yoongi, I think she's feeling sad that she left her brother. Don't worry, everything will be alright. He said, but Jungkook let out a sad sigh. Jungkook, okay hon, but now we have to deal with our chief guest. He said, and he clenched on the spoon tightly. Yoongi, yes, I totally forgot about him. Let's meet him, Jungkook, he said while smirking, which made Jungkook smirk. Jungkook, sure, let's go, Hunk, he said, and Jungkook shoved his hands in his pockets and he started going to the basement with Yoongi. Jungkook, how are you, Mr. Kang? You are the one that Lady Top has assigned you to kill me, right? He said while smirking devilishly, which made him sad and shiver. Yoongi, are you successful in spying us? He said, which made Mr. Kang's eyes widen. Jungkook, but you didn't leak our original company details, Mr. Kang. You leaked everything fake. He said while smirking and he started coming closer to Mr. Kang. Mr. Kang is wiggling continuously and he's trying to free himself. Mr. Kang, please leave me, Mr. Jen. I beg you.
जो तुम मेरे हो, ऐसा क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है। जो तुम मेरे हो, जो तुम मेरे हो, तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही नहीं, तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में। और नजरों में मेरे एक जहां है जहां तू और मैं अब साथ हैं, और वहाँ कोई नहीं, तू और मैं ही हैं। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए कभी, हम तो प्यार से ही मर जाएंगे। और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे। जो तुम मेरे हो, तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से। पूछे तू कि तुझ में मैं क्या देखता हूँ, जब चारों तरफ आज कितने ही सारे सारे हैं, जाने ना तू खुद को यूं ना जाने क्यों नजरों से मेरी यहाँ, देखो ना खुद को जरा, देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी छुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कान है, और नजरें झुकी और नजरें उठी तो मैं क्या ही करूं बर्बाद मैं तेरे होठों को जिनसे रखती मेरे प्यारे प्यारे नाम है, और दिल का तेरे और दिल का तेरे, अब मैं क्या ही कहूँ क्या बात है। और हाँ देखो यहाँ कैसे आई दो दिलों की बारात है, पर क्या खुला आसमां या फिर लाई यहाँ जोरों से बरसात है, चाहे वो छाए भी बादल तो, चाहे फिर भी तुम्हें क्या पता, तुमको मांगो ना कुछ और जो तुम मेरे हो।
दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। अब जीना जीना कैसे जीना